Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purur. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Goa government last month had invoked National Security Act in the state, aiming to keep history seekers in custody for a longer period. But it has been seen in many cases that Goa police is faulting in opening history seat itself. In one of such cases, High Court has set aside an order of North Goa SP ordering to open history seat against a Bicholim resident, namely Sandeep Vaman Rao. On the basis of a recommendation sent by Bicholim PI, North Goa SP in 2023 had ordered to open history seat against this Vaman Rao, considering that he is involved in around 9 cases that time. This Sandeep Rao then approached the High Court contending that as per procedure laid down in law, first his name should have been added in the surveillance register and then only history seat could be opened. But the prosecution side said that first they have opened the history seat and now his name has been added in the surveillance register. But exposing the procedural lapse by Goa police, setting aside the order of North Goa SP, the High Court has observed that as per procedure in law, the name must have been added in the surveillance register first, then only the history seat could be opened. But Goa police has faulted in following this procedure. Hence, this order of North Goa SP deserves to be questioned and set aside, and later the High Court disposing of that petition has set aside that order of the North Goa SP. It has been seen in last several years that Goa police is not following the proper procedure in opening a history seat, and which is benefiting the accused and the habitual offenders. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.